Frigidaire microwaves can experience common issues that require a reset to function properly again. One common problem is a frozen display that won't respond to inputs. Another issue is unresponsive control buttons that don't work when pressed. Error codes may appear on the display, indicating specific problems. Unusual behavior like strange sounds or inconsistent heating can also occur. These problems are often caused by minor software glitches. A simple reset can restore normal operation. Look at this Frigidaire microwave control panel. The cancel off button, which serves as the reset function, is located here on the left side of the number pad. On this stainless steel microwave, the control panel includes various buttons. Look for the cancel off button, typically positioned near the start button. This white microwave panel shows common button layouts. The reset or cancel button is usually among the function buttons below the display. Different Frigidaire models may have varying layouts, but the reset functionality is typically found in the control area. Look for buttons labeled reset or cancel off. First, locate the cancel off button on your microwave's control panel. Press and hold the cancel off button for 3 to 5 seconds. The microwave display will flicker or turn off momentarily, indicating the reset is complete. Begin by ensuring your microwave is plugged directly into a wall outlet, not through a power strip. Gently grasp the plug and pull it straight out from the wall outlet. Wait exactly 60 seconds before plugging the microwave back in. This allows the internal capacitors to fully discharge. After 60 seconds, plug the microwave back into the wall outlet securely. Remember, always plug directly into the wall outlet, not through a power strip for proper reset. When unplugging your microwave doesn't resolve the issue, the problem might be with the circuit breaker that powers the microwave. Follow these steps to reset the circuit breaker. First, locate your home's electrical service panel. Identify the circuit breaker labeled for the microwave or kitchen appliances. The breaker will appear tripped or in the off position. Look for labels on the breakers. The microwave breaker is often marked microwave or kitchen appliances. Flip the breaker to the off position. Wait a few seconds, then flip it back to the on position. After resetting, your microwave should have power restored. Test it to confirm the reset worked. After resetting your Frigidaire microwave, compare its functionality before and after the reset to confirm the changes. First, test the control panel responsiveness by setting the clock. Press the clock button and enter the time to verify the microwave responds correctly. Next, test the heating function by placing a cup of water inside and running the microwave for 30 seconds on standard power. Finally, confirm that all buttons on the control panel are responsive and the microwave heats correctly by checking button feedback and water temperature. If the reset doesn't resolve the problem, start by checking the owner's manual for specific error code resolutions. Next, visit the Frigidaire support website to access additional resources and troubleshooting guides. For complex issues, contact a qualified appliance repair technician who can provide professional assistance. Always unplug the microwave before attempting any repairs to ensure safety. Never attempt to open the microwave's internal components yourself. Some problems require professional repair. Always consult an expert.